butterfly girls. She even got wings on her too. Hey, do y'all want to do a cheeky butterfly dance with my sweet friend Flit? Okay, now what you gotta do is you gotta flap your wings. Can you flap your wings for us? Oh, that's wonderful. Now it looks like a cloudy day, but you brought sunshine our way. Isn't that true, Miss Flit?
Of course.
Oh, we let the sun shine in, and we're facing it with a grin. They are flapping their wings with Flit history. It's a special day, a day to celebrate. With the butterfly Chickie sisters and Miss Flit. Can y'all wave in the camera? All right. Can you go chickie, chickie, chickie?
Chickie, chickie, chickie.
Can you say butterflies?
Butterflies.
It's butterfly power and Chickie power, Dollywood. Yay! Oh, thank you, Chickie sisters, having fun at Dollywood with Flit. What am I saying, Miss Butterflies? And our little Chickie sisters, holler your names out for everybody.
Addie.
Addie.